Good afternoon, student. Okay, today we will discuss bilinear transformation problem. Okay, previous section we already discussed one problem. Okay, then in this problem, infinity will come. That time, how to solve the problem we will discuss. Okay, infinity will come. That time, how to solve the problems we will discuss. Okay, then write the problems. I'm audible now. Okay, then first one, find the bilinear transformation bilinear transformation which maps z is equal to infinity comma I comma 0 into w is equal to minus 1 comma minus I comma 1. Okay, this question is appeared in June 2017 VTU exam. Okay, exam. Then we need to find the bilinear transformation here. First we have to write W is equal to AZ plus B divided by CZ by D. Okay, be the required bilinear transformation. Be the required bilinear transformation. Okay, got it? Then your values is there, no, substitute the values here. Okay, then first take down z is equal to infinity and w is equal to minus 1. Okay, then the bilinear transformation can be written in the form of before applying the infinity. If you apply the infinity here, observe w is equal to a into infinity plus b into b, then c is into infinity plus d. Okay, a into infinity is what? Infinity only. Plus b, infinity plus b is infinity only. Similarly, c into infinity is infinity plus d, here also infinity. We are not getting any solution. We are not getting any solution. Okay, then we have to do some modification here. Take down z common in numerator. Okay, z a plus b by z, and also take down z in take down z take down z common in denominator also. Take down z common z c plus d by z. Okay, here z get cancel, z get cancel. Then remaining here a plus b by z whole divided by c plus d by z. Okay, c plus d by z. Then next write down z is equal to I, then apply the values. Here here w value is what here? Minus 1. Okay, a plus b, z values infinity whole divided by c plus d by infinity. Okay, we know that 1 by infinity is a 0. We know that 1 by infinity is a 0. Then minus 1 is equal to a plus 1 by infinity is 0, means b into 0 whole divided by c plus 1 by infinity is a 0, d into 0. Then minus 1 is equal to what we'll get here? A plus b into 0. B into 0 is 0. A plus 0 is here a plus 0. Then c plus d into 0 is 0. Means minus 1 is equal to a by c. Then c shifted to LHS side. Minus c is equal to a. Means a plus c shifted to RHS side. A plus c is equal to 0. Then call it as equation number 1. Call it as equation number 1. Okay, then write down. Then next, then take down z is equal to I and w is equal to minus I. Okay, z is equal to I and w is equal to minus I. Okay, z is equal to I and w is equal to minus I. Then next, then take down bilinear transformation. W is equal to az plus b divided by cz plus d. Cz plus d. Then w is minus I. Okay, a into z is I plus b whole divided by c into z values here I plus d. Okay, then minus I is equal to ai plus b whole divided by ci plus d whole divided by ci plus d. Then minus I into ci plus id ci plus did is equal to ai plus b. ai plus b. The next here ai plus b, ai by I, ai plus b. The next here minus I into I is I square, means minus ci square. Then minus I into plus d is minus id, minus id. Then ai plus b is equal to minus c. I square is minus 1, I square is minus 1 and minus id. The next ai plus b is equal to minus into minus plus c, then minus id, minus id. Then next c and minus id shifted to LHS side. Then ai plus b minus c and plus id is equal to 0. Minus c plus id is equal to 0. then a plus c is equal to 0, then ai plus b minus c plus di is equal to 0, call it as equation number 2. Then take down here z is equal to 0, then next point z is equal to 0 and w is equal to 1. Okay, then w is equal to az plus b divided by cz plus d, cz plus d, then w is 1, then a into 0 plus b plus c into 0 plus d. Okay, then what will get here? 1 is equal to b by d. Then here d minus b is equal to 0. D minus b is equal to 0. Okay, then write down, it means b is equal to d, then b minus d is equal to 0. Call it as equation number 3. Call it as equation number 3. Okay, then next step, you have to take two equation. Observe the equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, equation 2. Okay, here c will get cancelled. Minus plus c and minus c will get cancelled. Okay, take down equation 1 plus equation 2. Okay, a plus c is equal to 0. 1 plus I a plus b plus id is equal to 0. Take down equation 2. Equation 2 is what here? Here equation 2 is ai plus b minus c plus di is equal to 0. Then plus c and minus c will get cancelled. Then remaining term here a plus a plus a plus ai is a plus ai, okay, plus b, then your minus c and plus c get cancelled, plus id is equal to 0. Then take down here 1 common, a common, a 1 plus I plus b plus id is equal to 0. Okay. Then next we have to apply the cross multiplication rule. Call it as equation number 4. Then take the two equation. Consider a two equation. Then we want only three variables. And observe here, if you take 2 and 3, equation 2 having a 4 variables, equation 3 having a 3 variables. Okay, not possible. And similarly, take down equation 1 and 2 also. Equation 1 is 2 variables and equation 2 is also 4 variables. And equation 1 and equation 2, equation 3, 1 is a plus c is equal to 0, equation 1. Okay, equation 3 is b minus d. Observe here, 1 variable, 2, 3 and 4. Equation 3 and 1 is also 3 variables. Then take down equation equation okay, then take down, let us solve equation 3 and equation 4, okay, by writing them in the form, by writing them in the form okay, write down equation 3. Equation 3 is here, b minus d means here a is not present, 0a, then plus b, then minus d is equal to 0. Then equation 4 is 1 plus I a plus b plus id is equal to 0. Okay. Then applying the cross multiplication rule. Applying the rule of cross multiplication. Rule of cross multiplication. Okay, we have a by, take down here a coefficient first column. Okay, don't consider, take down first one. Don't, if we are writing a, no, we are not taking the coefficient of a. We are taking b coefficient and also d coefficient. The coefficient of b is 1. The coefficient of d is minus 1. And come to second equation. The coefficient of b is 1. The coefficient of d is I. Then take down b. If you are taking b, okay, the coefficient of a is 0. The coefficient of a is 1 plus I. Then the coefficient of d is minus 1. The coefficient of d is I here. Okay. Then c. Then take down d. Okay, don't take down the coefficient of d. Okay, here 0. Coefficient of a is 0. The coefficient of here a is 1 plus I. The coefficient of b is 1. The coefficient of b is 1. Okay. Then a 1 into I is I. Okay. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Here plus 1. Then next is minus b. Okay. Then 0 into I is 0. Minus 1 into 1 plus I is minus 1 plus I. Minus into minus plus 1 plus I. Then d. 0 into 1 is 0. Then minus 1 into 1 plus I. Okay. Then a by I plus 1 is equal to minus b by 1 plus I, and d is equal to d by minus 1 plus I. Okay, d by 1 plus I. Write down. Then next, here take down here 1. Okay, a is equal to I plus 1 and b is equal to minus 1 plus I. Then d is equal to minus 1 plus I. Okay, otherwise, then this we are writing a by 1 minus b by 1 and d by minus 1. Okay, take down here 1. A is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 1 and d is also minus 1. Okay, then we need to find the w value. Okay, here w is equal to az plus b divided by cz plus d. Okay, here w is equal to a into 1, b is minus 1 and d, and we need to find the c value also, no? Here c is, how to find the c value? Here a plus c is equal to 0, means a value is 1 plus c is equal to 0, c is equal to minus 1. Okay, here a value is 1 and b value is minus 1 and d value is minus 1 and c is equal to minus 1. A into z is 1 plus B value is minus 1, C into minus 1 plus we here we need to substitute A value. A value is 1 into Z, B value is minus 1 and C value is here minus 1 into Z, then D value is minus 1, then Z minus 1, take down minus common, here 1 plus Z, then here also take down minus common, 1 minus Z, 1 minus Z divided by minus 1 plus Z, means W is equal to 1 minus Z divided by 1 plus Z. This is the required answer. Okay, understood now? Then I will do the next problem in next hour. Okay, next class. Okay, Pa, thank you. Thank you very much.